Penny, what does a snake say? What does a rooster say? What does a lizard say? What does a chicken say? What does a bear say? What does a lion say? What does a bird say? What does a cat say? What does a dog say? What does a horse say? What does a rabbit say?
Hop, hop, hop.
What does an elephant say? What does a fish say? What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a sheep say?
Baa.
What does a donkey say? What does a duck say?
Quack.
What does a mouse say? What does a frog say?
Rubber, rubber.
What does Penny say?
Hi.
What does Floyd say? What does Mommy say?
Hi. Oh, Penny.
What does Mommy say?
Oh, Penny.
What does Daddy say?
Hi, Vinny. Oh my God.
What does Tia say? What does Tia say?
Yay.
What does Auntie say?
Happy
What does Uma say?
me.
What does Nanny say? What does Gung say?
Happy.
What does Penny say?
Hi.
What does Tiana say?
Oh my God.
Can you do a fake laugh? A fake cry?
Yeah.
And how about a fake surprise?
Oh my gosh.
Can you say bye-bye? Little kisses?
Bye-bye.